Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In the last video of Java programming, I've showed you this program, and I said I would show you another program that has good use of this function or method thing. Anyway, I'm going to introduce something new in this video as well. So, if you didn't watch the last episode, this block of code here, or nested loop, is a function. Basically, what a function does, it allows you to add a function or method. So instead of writing this in your code, you can just write @5. Okay. So you already know what these lines do. This initiates variable number, then functions here. Now when you compile the Java program, it of course analyzes all the code. It doesn't go through line by line like this, or else this would be illegal. In this case, this is static, which means it is never changing, and this is the variable type the method can handle. This is the function name, @5 in this case, and integer number is the variable type. Now this just starts the loop. Now this initiates another variable x, and now I didn't actually cover the do while loop, so this is one of the two things I'm going to show in this video. So it would do while is exactly what it says. So it does this block of code, this line of code, while n, which is the variable type being handled, is less than 97. And after that finishes, it changes x to 100 minus n and returns the variable x. This return is important in this method block. If you do not have the return, it will have an error in the compiler. So once it returns x, basically what it does, it gives the value of x or of code back. Now it's a lot to take in, but yeah. Now this is the second program. The code is slightly more complicated, but here's another thing you need to know. This first line here, import java.util scanner. It's outside the main loop, so what it actually does, it imports a class called scanner, which is already in the Java package, and this is the basic main program. Okay, this line here initiates the scanner, and what it is that it has to be in the main loop scan. So we're defining a new variable called stdin of type scanner. Okay, you don't really need to know what this line does. The important thing is that you need to have this line in your main loop before you use it. Now, of course, print and print line are different. Print means, okay, I'll show you. When you do system.out.println, anyway, hang on a second. Okay, when you do system.out.println, hello, well, what it does, it actually prints out a new line saying hello world. Sorry about that, but if you do print, it will just simply print it. Right, next line. So for example, if you have system.out.print hello, and the next line you put system.out.print world, it will come out as hello world in the system. But okay, yeah. So basically, print line makes a new line, and print adds it to the current line. Anyway, so I have print here up to, and then the double terms. Now if you looked at the episode 2 variables, you'll see that there's many different types of variables. I use double here because it can handle higher values. Double terms, this just allows the user to input next to float, and then this prints out the first two terms of the Fibonacci sequence and calculates methods. The method is defined here. Static double calculate double x, double A equals 1, double B equals 1, and double C. Double average, and now this is a bit complicated, but in the Fibonacci sequence, A equals A plus B, and then it prints out the value of A. B equals B plus A, put that B. Now, the important thing is that this and this does not print out the same number. When A is defined again, then B is defined again, because A is A plus B, so B is 2B plus A. Now, this is a bit complicated mathematics. Then C equals B plus A. Now, the C isn't printed out, but it is used in the while statement. Average equals B divided by A. System.out.println phi is average. Phi is basically 1.618. It's a golden ratio. You can Google that up if you don't know. I will compile the program. Now it runs as expected. Let's have a number such as this. Okay. Now you see it's 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 5, because the average of 1 and 2 is this. Is it? Okay, it's starting to get a little confusing. But all you need to know is that it calculates phi. So 5, 7, 9, 8. And you can see it's just basically trial and error. Not trial and error, but it calculates phi to even higher values. Let's have a really, really high value. Now phi stops at this, since 1.618033988749895. Now I'm just going to check if phi is actually that. I'll search it up in Google, but phi should be around that number, or it should be exactly that number. This number. Okay, this video is a little bit long. I apologize for that, but if you did not get anything, you can just go back and go forward in this video. Anyway, thanks for watching.